Chapter Relations and Functions. Solution of previous 10 years public examination questions of this chapter, and this is video part 2. 2016 March. A. The function f from n to n given by f of x equal to 2x is first option 1 1 and on to, 1 1 but not on to, not 1 1 and not on to but not 1 1. Okay, these are 4 options. The function here is f of x equal to 2x. Now this is the arrow diagram of given function. Here domain and codomain are n and n. So write n 1 2 3 4 etc. and here also 1 2 3 4 etc. Now function is f of x is 2x. So 1 2 1 into 2. Okay, 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 2 2 into 2 4. 3 2 2 into 3 6 etc. So here distinct elements are mapped to distinct elements. So the function is 1 1. Distinct elements are mapped to distinct elements. So the function is 1 1. To prove f of x is 1 1, either use arrow diagram or use this algebraic method. To prove f of x is 1 1, we have to prove that f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. Here f of x is 2x, so f of x1 is 2x1, f of x2 is 2x2, 2x2. So dividing by 2 we get x1 equal to x2, so f is 1 1. Now from this arrow diagram, this 1 has no pre-image, 3 has no pre-image. Okay, 3 belongs to n, codomain has no pre-image, so f is not on to. So the correct answer is f is 1 1 but not on to. 2016 March B problem. B. Find g composite f of x if f of x is 8x cube and g of x is x raised to 1 by 3. G composite f of x is g of f of x, that is g of f of x is 8x cube, so g of 8x cube. Now take this 8x cube as y, so we get y equal to 8x cube. Take 8x cube as y, so this equation becomes g of y. G of x is x raised to 1 by 3, g of y, y raised to 1 by 3. So replace this y by 8x cube, 8x cube raised to 1 by 3, that is 8 raised to 1 by 3, x cube raised to 1 by 3. Now this 8 is equal to 2 cube, so this is 2 cube raised to 1 by 3, that is 2 raised to 3 by 3, that is 2. X cube raised to 1 by 3 is x raised to 3 by 3, which is x. So g composite f of x is 2x. Now C, 2016 March C, let star be an operation such that a star b equal to LCM of a and b, defined on the set a equal to set 1 2 3 4 5. Is star a binary operation? Justify your answer. Here star is LCM of a and b and the set is set 1 2 3 4 5. Now LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3, that is 2 into 3, 6. Now this 6 not belongs to given set. So star is not a binary operation. This is the operation table of star. 1 star 1 is 1. 1 star 2 is 2. 1 star 3, 3, etc. Now here we have 3 star 4 is 12. 12 not belongs to given set. Okay. So this star is not a binary operation. 2015 March A. What is the minimum number of ordered pairs to form a non-zero reflexive relation on a set of n elements? What is the minimum number of ordered pairs required to form a non-zero reflexive relation on a set of n elements? Suppose n of a is equal to n. Okay, answer of this problem is take n of a as n. Okay, a consists n elements. Number of elements in a is n. For example, suppose n is equal to 3. that is A consists 3 elements. Okay, suppose A is equal to set 1, 2, 3. Then a reflexive relation should consist this ordered pairs of the form A belongs to A. So R should consist ordered pairs 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So minimum number of ordered pair required is 3. When n of A is 3, minimum number of ordered pair required to become R a reflexive relation is 3. So when n is 4, minimum number required is 4. So when n is number of elements in A is n, answer is n. 2015b, on the set R of real numbers, S is a relation defined as S equal to set of all ordered pairs xy such that x belongs to R, y belongs to R. Condition is x plus y equal to xy. Ordered pair xy belongs to S if x plus y equal to xy. Find A belongs to R such that A is never the first element of an ordered pair in S. Also find B belongs to R such that B is never the second element of an ordered pair in S. Okay, AB belongs to S if it satisfies this condition. A plus B is equal to AB. XY, ordered pair XY belongs to S. Ordered pair XY belongs to S if it satisfies this condition. X plus Y equal to X into Y. Now take x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. X plus y, this side, x plus y is 1 plus 1 which is 2, and RHS x into y, that is 1 into 1, 1. 2 is not equal to 1. So here x plus y is not equal to xy. So 1, 1 not belongs to S. 1, 1 not belongs to S. So we can take A is equal to 1, B equal to 1. 2015 C. Consider the function f of x equal to 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. X is not equal to 2. Okay, x is not equal to 2. Find a function g of x on a suitable domain such that g composite f of x is x, that is equal to f composite g of x. Okay, we have to find a function g which satisfies this condition. To find g, take f of x equal to y. Take given function as y. Now here f of x is 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 2, that is equal to y. Now cross multiplying, take these terms to RHS. X minus 2 into y. So 3x plus 4 equal to xy minus 2y. Now take term with x to LHS. So we get 3x minus xy equal to minus 2y. Take this 4 to RHS, minus 2y minus 4. Now take x outside. X into 3 minus y equal to minus 2y minus 4. So we get x equal to minus 2y minus 4 divided by 3 minus y. Multiplying numerator and denominator by minus 1, we get x equal to 2y plus 4 divided by minus 3 plus y. Okay, this denominator becomes minus 3 plus y. So x equal to 2y plus 4 divided by, we can write this denominator as y minus 3. Now take this function as g of y. Okay, take this function as g of y. G of y equal to 2y plus 6 divided by y minus 3, or g of x equal to 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 3. Now for this function, domain is R minus set 2, and for this g of x, what is domain? Domain is equal to R minus set 3. Now here f composite g of x. Okay, we have to show that g composite f of x equal to x and f composite g of x equal to x. So let us find f composite g of x. F composite g of x is f of g of x, that is f of g of x is 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 3. Now take this bracket as y. So f of y. Okay, where y equal to 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 3. And we know that f of x is 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. So f of y, 3y plus 4 divided by y minus 2. Now replace this y by this expression 2x plus 4 by x minus 3. So we get 3 into 2x plus 4 by x minus 3 plus 4 divided by 2x plus 4 by x minus 3 minus 2. Now here denominator is 1, so take denominator x minus 3. So we have to multiply 4 by x minus 3. So 3 into 2x plus 4 into x minus 3. Now here denominator, in this denominator take denominator x minus 3. So multiply this 2 into 2 by x minus 3. So 2x plus 4 minus 2 x minus 3. We can cancel this x minus 3. Here same denominator is x minus 3, then cancelling x minus 3 we get this expression. 3 into 2x is 6x, 3 into 4 12, 4x minus 12, then 2x plus 4 minus 2x plus 6. Now here 6x plus 4x is 10x, 12 minus 12 0, 2x minus 2x 0, 4 plus 6 is 10. So 10x by 10 which is equal to x. So f composite g of x is x. Now consider g composite f of x. G composite f of x is g of f of x. F of x is 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. So g of 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. Take this bracket as y. So this is g of y, where y equal to 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. G of x is 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 3. So g of y 2y plus 4 divided by y minus 3. Now replace this y by this expression. So we get 2 into 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 2 plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 2, that is y minus 3. Now take x minus 2 as denominator. We get 2 into 3x plus 4 plus 4 into x minus 2 whole divided by x minus 2 divided by 3x plus 4 minus 3 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Now cancel this x minus 2. So 2 into 3x 6x, 2 into 4 4x minus 8. Now denominator 3x plus 4 minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. And here 6x plus 4x is 10x, 8 minus 8 0. Then 3x minus 3x 0, 4 plus 6 is 10. So we have 10x by 10 which is equal to x. So we have g composite f of x is x. So we have f composite g of x is x, that is equal to g composite f of x. So g is the inverse of f. So we have f inverse equal to g. 2014 March A. Let R be the relation on the set n of natural numbers given by R equal to set of all ordered pairs A, B, such that A minus B is greater than 2 and B is greater than 3. Okay, conditions are A minus B greater than 2 and B is greater than 3. Choose the correct answer. Here there are 4 options: 4, 1, 5, 8, 8, 7, 10, 6. Now clearly this element is not in R because it violates second condition. B is greater than 3. Here B is 1 which is not greater than 3. So this ordered pair 4, 1 not belongs to R. Okay, ordered pair 4, 1 not belongs to R. So this is not the answer. Now consider 5, 8. Here B is greater than 3. Now what is A minus B? 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. 5 minus 8 is minus 3 which is not greater than 2. So ordered pair 5, 8 not belongs to R. Now consider ordered pair 8, 7. B is greater than 3. Now A minus B, 8 minus 7, 1 which is not greater than 2. So ordered pair 8, 7 not belongs to R. Now consider ordered pair 10, 6. B is clearly greater than 3 and A minus B is 10 minus 6 which is 4 greater than 2. B is 6 greater than 3. A minus B 10 minus 6 4 greater than 2. So this element satisfies these two conditions. So correct answer is D. 10, 6 belongs to R. 2014 March B. If f of x equal to 8x cube and g of x equal to x raised to 1 by 3, find g of f of x and f of g of x. G of f of x is g of f of x, 8x cube. Now take 8x cube as y, g of y, where y equal to 8x cube. G of x is x raised to 1 by 3, g of y, y raised to 1 by 3. So 8x cube, that is our y, 8x cube raised to 1 by 3. Now this is 8 raised to 1 by 3, x cube raised to 1 by 3. 8 raised to 1 by 3 is 2, x cube raised to 1 by 3, x raised to 3 by 3, x. So answer is 2x. F of g of x is f of x raised to 1 by 3. G of x is x raised to 1 by 3. So f of x raised to 1 by 3. Now take x raised to 1 by 3 as y. So we get f of y. F of x is 8x cube, f of y 8y cube. Now replace y by x raised to 1 by 3. So x raised to 3 by 3, which is x. So answer is 8x. So here g of f of x is 2x and f of g of x is 8x. In general, g composite f is not equal to f composite g. 2014 March C. Let star be a binary operation on the set Q of rational numbers defined by a star b equal to ab by 3. Check whether star is commutative and associative. Here set is Q, a star b is ab by 3. Star is said to be commutative if condition is a star b equal to b star a for all ab belongs to given set. Here given set is Q. Now a star b, by definition ab by 3. We can write ab as ba. Multiplication is commutative. So ab is equal to ba and ba by 3 is equal to b star a. So we have a star b is equal to b star a. So star is commutative. Star is said to be associative if a star b star c equal to a star b star c for all abc belongs to q. For all abc belongs to q. Now take this side LHS, a star b star c is, apply star to this bracket, ab by 3 star c. Again applying star, ab by 3, okay, this element, take this as e. A star c is ac by 3. So we get ab by 3, c by 3. A star b is ab by 3. So a star c, ac by 3. Okay, so we have ab by 3, c by 3. Now this is abc by 3 divided by 3, that is abc by 3 into 1 by 3, reciprocal of this 3. So we get abc divided by 9. Now take RHS, a star b star c. B star c is bc by 3. Now this is of the form a star d. A star d is ad by 3. So we get a bc by 3 by 3. Now this is abc by 3 divided by 3, that is abc by 3 into 1 by 3, that is abc divided by 9. So we have a star b star c equal to a star b star c. So star is associative. Now 2013 March A. Consider f from R to R given by f of x equal to 5x plus 2. A. Show that f is 1 1. B. Is f is invertible. Justify your answer. And C. Let star be a binary operation on n defined by a star b equal to HCF of A and B. In that first one, A star is commutative, A star associative. First one, A. Consider f from R to R given by f of x equal to 5x plus 2. We have to show that f is 1 1, and second part is f is invertible. Justify your answer. Now to prove f is 1 1, we have to prove that f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. So take f of x1 equal to f of x2. f of x is 5x plus 2, f of x1 5x1 plus 2, f of x2 5x2 plus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides, we get 5x1 equal to 5x2. Dividing by 5, we get x1 equal to x2, so f is 1, 1. Now to prove on 2, take f of x equal to y. 5x plus 2 equal to y, 5x equal to y minus 2. Take this plus 2 to RHS. So we get y minus 2. So x equal to y minus 2 divided by 5. For any y belongs to codomain R, there exists x belongs to domain R. That x is y minus 2 by 5. For any real number, y minus 2 by 5 is a real number. Take a y from codomain, a real number y from codomain, then that number minus 2 divided by 5 is also a real number. So this x belongs to domain. That is corresponding to any y belongs to codomain, we can find x belongs to domain such that f of x equal to y. So the function is onto. So the function is both 1, 1 and onto. So it is a bijective, so it is invertible, and f inverse of x is this function. F inverse of y, y minus 2 by 5. F inverse of x, x minus 2 by 5. See, let star be the binary operation on n defined by a star b equal to HCF of a and b. Is star commutative? Is star associative? Does there exist identity for this binary operation on n? Okay. Now HCF is highest common factor. HCF is the highest common factor. Consider two numbers 16 and 20. Factors of 16 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 10, 20. These are the factors. From these factors, take common factors. Common factors, here we have 1 to 4 and here also we have 1 to 4. So common factors are 1 to 4. From these common factors, take the highest common factor. Highest common factor is 4. That is the HCF of 16 and 20. We calculate HCF by using this long division method. 16, 20, common factor is 2. So dividing by 2, we get 8, 10. Then again dividing by 2, 4, 5. There is no common number between this 4 and 5. Okay. So HCF is 2 into 2. Multiply these numbers. 2 into 2, 4. When we calculate HCF of 4 and 8, here common number is 2. So divide 4 and 8 by 2. We get 2 and 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Again dividing by 2, 1 and 2. So HCF of 4 and 8 is 2 into 2, 4. HCF of 4 and 8 is 4. HCF of 16 and 20 is also 4. When we consider prime numbers, consider 3 and 5. When we consider prime numbers, factors of 3, 1 and 3. 1 and that number itself. Factors of 5, 1 and 5. Common factor is 1. Common factor is 1. So highest common factor is 1. So when A and B are prime numbers, HCF is 1. Now star B, the binary operation on n defined by A star B equal to HCF of A and B. Now from the problem we have to show that star is commutative, star is associative, and we have to find the identity element if it exists. Now A star B is HCF of AB. HCF of AB is equal to HCF of BA. So that is equal to B star A. So star is commutative. Now consider A star B star C. A star B is HCF of AB star C, that is equal to HCF of 3 numbers ABC. And A star B star C is A star HCF of BC. Okay, again applying star, we get HCF of ABC. So these two are equal. A star B star C equal to A star B star C. So star is associative. Let E belongs to N be the identity element. Then by definition of identity element, A star E equal to A, that is equal to E star A. We have to find an element E which satisfies this condition. A star E equal to A, that is equal to E star A. There does not exist E belongs to N which satisfies this condition. Therefore, there is no identity element. Okay, for example, 1 is not the identity element because 1 star 3 is 1. HCF of 1 and 3 is 1. HCF of 1 and 3 is not equal to 3. Okay, HCF of 1 and 5 is 1 which is not equal to 5. So 1 is not the identity. We cannot find any element E which satisfies this condition. So there is no identity element. 2012 March E. Give an example of a relation on a set A, set 1, 2, 3, 4, which is reflexive, symmetric and not transitive. Reflexive, symmetric and not transitive. R is reflexive if it consists elements of the form AA for all A belongs to A. So when we have to form a reflexive relation, we have to write all elements of the form AA for all A belongs to A. That is, here we have to write 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. R consists these elements because it is reflexive. Now the relation should be not transitive. So write elements of this form A, B, B, C. A, B, B, C. 3, 2, 2, 4. Okay. Then since it is symmetric, 3, 2 implies 3, 2 belongs to R implies 2, 3 belongs to R. Whenever we write 3, 2, we should write 2, 3 because we have to form a symmetric relation. Then when 2, 4 belongs to R, 4, 2 belongs to R. Now clearly this relation is not transitive because 3, 2, 2, 4, these elements belongs to R, but 3, 4 not belongs to R. 3, 2, 2, 4 belongs to R, but 3, 4 not belongs to R. So R is not transitive. So this relation is reflexive, symmetric and not transitive. 2012 March C. Let star be a binary operation on Q plus defined by A star B equal to AB by 6. Find inverse of 9 with respect to star. A star B is AB by 6 on Q plus. We have to find identity element. Let E belongs to Q plus be the identity element. Then it should satisfy this condition. A star E equal to A, that is equal to E star A. Now here this operation is commutative, so we have to take this equation. Okay, there are two equations. Since star is commutative, this equation is enough. A star E equal to A. Now A star E by definition AE by 6. Now take this A to this side, A by A 1. So we get E by 6 equal to 1. So E equal to 6 and this 6 belongs to Q plus. So E equal to 6 is the identity element. Now we have to find inverse of 9. Okay, before finding inverse, we should find identity and we got identity as 6. Now B is the inverse of A if A star B equal to E, that is equal to B star A. Here E is 6. So A star B is 6. A star B is AB by 6. That is equal to 6. So AB equal to 6 into 6, 36. So B equal to 36 by E. B is the inverse of A. So A inverse is 36 by A. This is the general form. A inverse is 36 by A. If A is equal to 9, its inverse is 36 by 9. When A is equal to 9, A inverse is 36 by 9. That is equal to 4. Now 2011 March. First one, F from set 1, 2, 3, 4 to set 5 defined by f equal to set 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5. Does the function f invertible? Now arrow diagram of this function is, first set consists 1, 2, 3, 4. Second set consists only one element. Okay, second set consists only one element, and the map is 1 to 5, 2 to 5, 3 to 5, 4 to 5. Clearly this function is not 1, 1. Different elements are mapped to same element. So this is not 1, 1. So it is not invertible. 2011 March second problem. Let A equal to R minus set 7 by 5. B equal to R minus set 3 by 5. B equal to R minus singleton set 3 by 5. F from A to B defined by f of x equal to 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7. G from B to A defined by g of y equal to 7y plus 4 divided by 5y minus 3. We have to find G composite f. Now G composite f of x is g of f of x. Now write f of x. F of x is 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7. This is our f of x. Now take this expression as y. So this equation reduces to g of y. G of y is 7y plus 4 divided by 5y minus 3. Okay, here write y, g of y, 7y plus 4 divided by 5y minus 3. This is g of y. Now y equal to, here y is 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7. So 7y plus 4 is 7 into 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7 plus 4. 5y minus 3 is 5 into 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7 minus 3. Now here we have to take denominator 5x minus 7. Here also we have to take denominator 5x minus 7. So we get 7 into 3x plus 4 into 5x minus 7 divided by 5 into 3x plus 4 minus 3 into 5x minus 7. 7 into 3x 21x, 7 into 4 28, 4 into 5x 20x, 4 into minus 7 minus 28. 5 into 3x 15x, 5 into 4 20, minus 3 into 5x is minus 15x, minus 3 into minus 7 plus 21. Now here 21x plus 20x, that is 41x, 28 minus 28 0, 15x minus 15x 0, 20 plus 21 41. So 41x by 41, which is equal to x. So G composite f of x is x. 2011 March third problem. Let A equal to n star n. N is the set of all natural numbers, and star be a binary operation on A defined by AB star CD equal to AC minus BD, comma AD plus BC. Show that star is commutative on A. AB star CD is AC minus BD, comma AD plus BC. Now take CD star AB. Here elements are of the form ordered pairs because A is equal to n cross n. So an element of A is of this form, ordered pair AB. Another element is ordered pair CD. Star is said to be commutative if A star B equal to B star A. Here element is of the form ordered pair AB. So we have to show that AB star CD equal to CD star AB. So take CD star AB. By definition, here AB star CD is AC minus BD. First element is AC minus BD. Now in the case of CD star AB, first element is CA minus DB. This is first element. Now second element is AD plus BC. Okay, AD plus BC. So here second element is CB plus DA. CB plus DA. Now this AC, CA, we can write it as AC. AC and C are equal because multiplication is commutative. So we can write CA as AC since multiplication is commutative, and DB as BD. Then again CB is BC and DA is AD. Reason is multiplication is commutative. Now this is equal to, first element is AC minus BD. Second element, this is of the form A plus B. A plus B is equal to B plus A because addition is commutative. So we can write this second element as AD plus BC. Now this is equal to AB star CD. Okay, AB star CD. So star is commutative. Okay, thank you. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ 10 വർഷത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് 2 വീഡിയോകളായിട്ട് സോൾവ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. പ്ലസ് ടുവിൽ പഠിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വളരെ ഉപകാരപ്പെടുന്ന 2 വീഡിയോസാണ്. അവർക്കിത് ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക.